Before we got married, everything was alright. Yeah, but after we got married, everything was alright. We stay home every night. We stay home every night. But after we got married, nothing seemed to